the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to Google. You're going to type in Google Translate. This will come up on the screen. This, you can change your languages to whatever they are, okay, to English. Then you are going to go to YouTube. And a lot of times it doesn't have the option to do so, but these three little dots down here, if you click that, you open up your transcript of the video. It gives you all the words of the video. Now, if there is a number here, like a timestamp, you can remove the timestamp right there. See, it'll give it the time of the video, this time period. It'll give the time of the video, but you can remove that and do toggle timestamp, remove that, and you can just copy this right here, for instance. You can't do a lot at once. You can only do little sections because the translate won't work with a lot of characters, so you can only do a few at a time. But you just copy, then you go into your Google Translator here, you paste that information in here, and it'll translate it for you. See? Now this is the only part that is a little taxing because you have to figure out what they're trying to say. So the translations don't always come out, but it will translate it into English for you.